So Enzo decided to turn our coffee table into a chewing toy. And I'm gonna try to fix it. Well, yeah, you yeah, you did it. Right, let's see what I can do. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. It's the best I can get out of it, to be honest with you. Gonna leave those legs like this. Might be able to give a little bit of character. Okay, I need to ask the boss whether we paint it or we leave it like that. Okay, decision is made. We're staining the table in dark oak. Okay, mission accomplished. It looks well, definitely better than it was. Paint still needs to dry a little bit, but overall not too bad. Right, you know what to do, guys. Thank you.